Hello friends, my name is Sahil Ayub Sambhai. I am assistant professor in inorganic chemistry in Shivras College, Gatins. Today we have discussed a topic from BSc second year, nothing but chemistry of elements of 3D series. Okay, next. Okay, first of all, the 3D is nothing but that comes from D block elements. Okay, nothing but D block elements are nothing but in recent era D block elements have a wide range of applications, and also they have ability to form variety of complexes in which chemists are interested. Nothing but here, hence the study of D block elements becomes a valuable. Nothing but elements are in periodic table, which is classified on the basis of electronic configuration. In the block, nothing but S block, P block, D block, and F block. Okay, here is the outline of periodic table. Nothing but modern periodic table, which is containing a row, 7 row, which is termed as a period. Nothing but 18 column, which is termed as a groups. Nothing but the red blocks are known as a S block element. Okay, then green block is nothing but D block element, grey color blocks are nothing but P block element, and purple color blocks are nothing but F block elements. Okay, nothing but the question is arises that what is S block element, what is P block element, what is D block element, and what is F block element. In that, D block elements are nothing but the last electron will be entered into the D orbital. Nothing but in case other definition is elements having partially filled D subshell of n-1 main shell in their atomic state is known as a D block elements, or nothing but the elements from periodic table in which the last electron enter into the D orbital. The main shell is n-1 D orbital. Nothing but आपला जो लास्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन असतो तो कुठे जातो D orbital मध्ये जातो. So it is known as a D block elements. Yes. Okay. Then these elements are also called as a transition elements, which are placed in between S and P block elements starting from fourth period of our periodic table, as shown in periodic table. Okay. Therefore, these transition elements are consist of 4 series. The first series is nothing but known as a 3D series elements. It includes elements from scandium to zinc. Okay. Then second series nothing but known as a 4D series. Nothing but it includes elements from yttrium to cadmium. Okay. Third series is nothing but 5D series. Okay. It includes elements from lanthanum to mercury. Next, the fourth series nothing but known as a 6D series. It includes elements from actinium to copper nickel. Nothing but we have studied only 3D series. 3D series nothing but why it is known as 3D series? Nothing but the outermost electron enters into 3D subshell. So it is known as a 3D series. This is outline structure of periodic table. Nothing but we only study about D block elements. Nothing but this is our 3D series, 4D series, 5D series, 6D series. We study nothing but n-d subshell. Nothing but n is equal to 4. Okay. Nothing but 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So outermost electron enters into 3D orbital. So this series is known as a 3D series. Next, okay, position of elements in periodic table. Nothing but position of 3D series in periodic table. The first series, nothing but 3D series, elements are placed in fourth period between alkali metal, which is calcium from S block element, from to gallium from P block elements in groups 3 to 12 in the periodic table. Here the modern periodic table, nothing but they have 7 period and 18 groups. Nothing but we are studying the given position of 3D series element in periodic table. We say that the 3D series start from fourth period, which having in between alkali metal calcium from S block element and ends to gadolinium having from P block element. Nothing but scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. This is nothing but our 3D series. Next. Okay, general characteristics of 3D series elements. Nothing but they show typical metallic characters. That is nothing but they have high melting point and boiling point. Okay, and high tensile strength. Why this is high melting point and boiling point? Because they have smaller atomic size. From left to right, from scandium to zinc, the size of atom will be decreases. So their melting point and boiling points are larger. They have malleable. They are malleable. Malleable is nothing but it can be converted into sheets. Nothing but त्यांच्यापासून आपण काय करू शकतो, पत्रे तयार करू शकतो. They have ductiles. Ductiles are nothing but they can form a wire-like structures. Nothing but ductility. Nothing but wire can be formed from these elements. This is nothing but next. Nothing but they have good conductors of heat and electricity. They have metallic luster. Luster is nothing but चकाकी आपण असं म्हणतो, and they have high density. Next property is they catalyze number of reactions. Nothing but they can catalyze, they can use as catalysis. Nothing but nickel, platinum, palladium, which is used as hydrogenation catalyst. They form alloys. Alloys are nothing but mixture of elements, nothing but known as a alloy. Example, nothing but bronze. Bronze will be made from the mixture of copper and zinc. Okay, brass, bronze, copper and tin, nothing but they are alloys. Next, they form interstitial compounds with the non-metals like carbon, boron and nitrogen. Nothing but if they form a compound with carbon, they are known as the carbides. If they form with boron, then it is known as the borides. If they are formed with nitrogen, it is known as a nitrates. General characteristics, most of them forms a colored compounds. Okay, they effectively form complexes. Almost all of them are paramagnetic in nature. They exhibit variable oxidation state. These four properties will be discussed in next slides. Okay, copper has a higher thermal and electrical conductivity. They form compound with Lewis acid like CO and NO. CO is nothing but carbonyl compound, and this is a nitrosyl compound. Next. Okay, this is the main characteristics of 3D block elements. Nothing but first is electronic structure or electronic configuration. Nothing but definition of electronic configuration is nothing but it can be defined arrangement of electron in the space around the nucleus is nothing but electronic configuration. So general electronic configuration for these elements are R1 3D 1 to 10 4s 1 to 2. Nothing but this is general electronic configuration. AR is nothing but R1 which having atomic number 18. Next. This is electronic structure or electronic configuration of 3D series elements. Nothing but scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. This is symbol of these elements, and this is atomic number of these all elements. Nothing but starting from 21 to 30. As we discussed, the general electronic configuration of these elements is AR 3D 1 to 10 4s 1 to 2. So first, which having scandium having electronic configuration AR nothing but argon 3D 1 4s 2. Then second, nothing but titanium having electronic configuration Ar3d2 4s2. Vanadium, argon 3d3 4s2. Nothing but increasing of one electron from these to zinc. Nothing but there are two exceptional cases for chromium and copper having electronic configuration argon 3d5 4s1 and 3d10 4s1. This is outer electronic configuration because of they have to form half-field d orbital. Nothing but one electron will be transferred from s to d orbital. So they complete the half-field d orbital, and here they fill the total d orbital, nothing but 3d10, to generate extra stability of chromium and copper. Next, tricks to remember the 3d series element. आता तो लॉकडाऊन चालू आहे. लॉकडाऊनच्या काळात त्यानुसार आपण एक तयार केलेली संरचना आहे. नथिंग बट लॉकडाऊन काळात स्कूटीवरून कृष्णा मंदारनी फेरी मारली. कॉप्सनी कुठून कुठून झोडवला. नथिंग बट कॉप्स आर पोलीस. नथिंग बट स्कूटी SC फॉर स्कॅन्डियम, TI फॉर टिटॅनियम, V फॉर व्हॅनेडियम, Cr for chromium, Mn for manganese, Fe for iron, Co for cobalt, Ni for nickel, Cu for copper, and last Z for zinc. This is the trick to remember 3d series element. Okay, next characteristic is oxidation state. The question arises that what is oxidation state? Oxidation state is nothing but the numerical charge present on the atom or ion is known as a oxidation state. The 3D block elements exhibits variety of oxidation state because they have the energy difference between 3D and 4s is very small. So they exhibit variety of oxidation states. Some common oxidation states are given in this table. Nothing but from scandium to zinc. This is your outer electronic configuration. Nothing but starting from 3d1 4s2, 3d2 4s2, 3d3 4s2, 3d5 4s1, 3d5 4s2, 3d6 4s2, 3d7 4s2, 3d8 4s2, 3d10 4s1, and last 3d10 4s2. This is oxidation state. Nothing but if we remove the two electrons from this s orbital of scandium, then this oxidation state will be a +2. If we remove two electrons from s orbital and one electron from d orbital of scandium, then this oxidation state will be +3. Same as for scandium to zinc. Nothing but the black are nothing but are a stable oxidation state, and having red are it is a non-stable oxidation state. Significant feature of the below table, nothing but first the minimum oxidation state is +1. Okay, all elements nothing but having the oxidation state +1. We can remove one electron from s orbital, then oxidation state will be +1. Maximum oxidation state is +7, which having of manganese having +7 oxidation state. Then common oxidation state is +2 and +3. All elements have common oxidation +2 and +3. Fourth oxidation states are increasing from nothing but increasing from scandium, okay, to manganese. Increasing from scandium to manganese, then it is decreasing from manganese to zinc as their atomic size increases, also increasing of atomic number. Okay, next, the nature of compounds in different oxidation state. As oxidation states are different, the nature of compound will be different. I think first in lower oxidation state they are act as a reducing agent and they are generally bases. Example Fe plus 2 and Cr plus 2. I think oxidation state plus 2 जर असेल तर ते काय करतात reducing agents म्हणून act करतात and they are generally basic. Reducing agent nothing but reduction करणे. Reductions definition सांगायची म्हटली तर काय reductions are nothing but removal of electron or removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen, nothing but reduction. Second, in higher oxidation state which having plus 6 and plus 7 compounds, they are act as oxidizing agent. They are generally acidic, nothing but CrO3, example CrO3 and Mn2O7. Oxidation is nothing but addition of oxygen, okay, addition of electron or removal of hydrogen. This is nothing but oxidation. These two are used in reduction reaction or oxidation reaction. Compounds having plus 3 and plus 4 oxidation states are act as a amphoteric. Okay, nothing but amphoteric as they are act as reducing agents as well as oxidizing agents. Therefore, compounds having higher oxidation state exhibits more covalent character, while lower oxidation state exhibits more ionic characters. Next, it is third characteristics nothing but magnetic character. Magnetic character nothing but magnetic measurements are used to detect the presence of unpaired electrons in substance and determine its electronic structures. On the basis of magnetic properties, classified into two types nothing but first is a paramagnetic substances and second it is a diamagnetic substances. In case nothing but if paramagnetic substance and diamagnetic substance, paramagnetic substance are those nothing but they are attract towards the magnetic field, so that substance is known as a paramagnetic substance. The substance which repels the magnetic field is known as a diamagnetic substance. This is nothing but definition of paramagnetic substance and diamagnetic substance, which I told earlier. That is the substance which are weakly attracted by a strong field magnetic field are known as a paramagnetic substance which contains a unpaired electron. This is most important. If in d orbital it contains a unpaired electron, then it will be a paramagnetic nature. Nothing but they are attracted towards the magnetic field. Diamagnetic substance which are weakly repelled by the strong magnetic field are known as a diamagnetic substance. This is due to presence of all electrons are paired. This is nothing but magnetic properties of developing magnetic substance which is classified into paramagnetic and diamagnetic. As earlier told, nothing but if the substance contains unpaired electrons in their orbital, then it will be a paramagnetic. Nothing but they are attracted towards the magnetic field. If the substance which contains all electrons are paired, they repels the magnetic field, so they are known as a diamagnetic substance. The paramagnetism arises due to interaction of spin magnetic momentum and angular orbital momentum of unpaired electron present in atom, which is calculated by following equation. Nothing but mu s plus l is equal to 4s under the square root of 4s into s plus 1 plus l into l plus 1, where mu is a Bohr magneton, s nothing but sum of spin quantum number, l nothing but sum of orbital angular momentum quantum number. In many compounds, orbital condition is quenched or deleted out by the electric field of surrounding atoms. Nothing but the orbital conditions are deleted by electric field of surrounding atom. Therefore, magnetic momentum is arises only by a spin quantum number given as mu(s) is equal to under the square root 4s into s plus 1. Okay, this is calculated or observed magnetic moments of ions of 3D block elements. Nothing but scandium group zinc having oxidation state plus 3. So outer electronic configuration is 3d0, 3d1, 3d2, 3d3, 3d4, 3d5, 3d6, 3d7, 3d8, 9 and 3d10. Unpaired electron content from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nothing but unpaired electron present in outermost d orbital. If we put value of electron, unpaired electron, nothing but En is equal to 0, the calculated magnetic moment will be 0 and this substance will be a diamagnetic. Nothing but 3d0, all electrons are paired, so scandium 3 plus ions are diamagnetic in nature. So we calculate all this magnetic moments. From this table it is observed that as unpaired electron increases, number of unpaired electron increases, magnetic momentum also goes on increases. If the number of unpaired electron decreases, the magnetic momentum also goes on increases. Okay, next property is colored ions. Nothing but the color of substances arises due to the absorption of the radiations in visible region. Nothing but the substance which absorbs the visible light and which radiates another light to give some colors. The ionic or covalent compounds of 3D block elements are usually colored. This is due to electronic transition involved in d orbitals. These transitions are of two types. Nothing but first is a dd transition, second is a charge transfer transition. In dd transition, electron is transferred from one d orbital to another orbital of 3D level. For example, we have taken Ti(H2O6) plus 3, nothing but hexahydrated titanium third. In this complex, the charge on titanium is plus 3. That is, the electronic configuration of this titanium in that complex is 3d1. Outermost electronic configuration is 3d1. This can be explained on the basis of crystal field theory. Crystal field theory explains the splitting of orbitals, nothing but splitting of d orbitals. Nothing but these orbitals, nothing but having a 3D orbitals in ground state, nothing but dxy, okay, dxz, dyz, dx square minus y square, dz square. When a ligand approaches towards this orbital, then it will be goes at a higher energy level. Nothing but they are splitted. This is nothing but known as a barrier center, and this orbital will be splitting into two parts. Nothing but this is nothing but first it is a T2G part, this is the EG part. When sunlight or white light falls on this complex, nothing but Ti(H2O6) plus 3 ion, it absorbs green radiation from white light, and one electron from T2G level get excited to EG level as shown in figure. Nothing but the electron, nothing but 3D, one electron goes into lower energy state having T2G or at a lower energy. Nothing but one electron at T2G level. When it absorbs a light, nothing but H mu, then this electron will be excited from T2G to EG. When it releases this energy and goes towards its original state, it transmits a radiation which shows the color. The complementary color of green radiation is purple, therefore Ti(H2O6) plus it appears in purple color. Here white light minus absorbed light is equal to transmitted light. Nothing but white light absorbed Kb त्यानुसार ॲब्सॉर्ब केल्यानंतर त्यामधला कुठला रेडिएशन त्यांनी यूज केला, ग्रीन रेडिएशन यूज केलं. ग्रीन रेडिएशन यूज केल्यानंतर तो काय होतो, ग्राउंड स्टेट पासून T2G पासून तो जातो एक्साइटेड स्टेटला जातो. When it releases its energy, it moving towards its original state at the ground state, and then it releases some radiation in terms of purple color. This is colored ions due to presence of unpaired electrons at the outermost d orbitals. Nothing but if there is a presence of unpaired electron, it definitely shows a colors. If there is a zero unpaired electrons, then it will be a colorless. Next, colored ions. From the table it is clear that D0 and D10 cases are colorless. It includes that color is associated with 3D1 to 3D9 electron, that is presence of unpaired electron, which shows 3D transition. In charge transfer transition, an electron is transferred from orbital of ligand to the orbital. Okay, orbital of ligand to the orbital of the metal or vice versa. Nothing but लिगंडचा ऑर्बिटल हा काय करतो, चार्ज कोणाला ट्रान्सफर करतो, मेटलच्या ऑर्बिटलला करतो. देन इट शोज अ कलर्स. 3D ट्रान्झिशन ग्रॅज्युअली गिव्स अ पेल कलर्स, नथिंग बट फेंट कलर्स दाखवतात, व्हाईल चार्ज ट्रान्सफर ट्रान्झिशन गिव्स अ डार्क कलर्स. Last properties of 3D series elements is complex formation. The compounds in which central metal atom or ion and coordinate ligands is called as complex. Complex are nothing but formed by nothing but central metal atom which accepts a lone pair of electron from a ligand which forms a coordinate bond, that they forms a complexes. 3D block elements have ability to form a stable complex with variety of ligands. This is because of they have small size. Okay, small size असल्यामुळे काय होतो, तो लोन पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इझिली अट्रॅक्ट करू शकतो. हाय इफेक्टिव्ह न्यूक्लियर चार्ज का जास्त असतो, बिकॉज दे हॅव हायर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटीज. हाय पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज काय, कारण हायर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी आहे तेवढेच त्याच्याकडे काय न्यूट्रॉन्स आहेत. ओके, त्यानुसार त्याच्याकडे काय आहे न्यूट्रॉन्स असणार. ठीक है. Then fourth, ability of vacant orbital to accept the electron pair donated by a ligand. Next, fifth, ability to form a sigma as well as pi bond. Nothing but complex form होता है, ते काय form करता है, sigma as well as pi bonds form करता है. Pi bonds can be formed in back bonding. Okay, ability to excite the electron or pair their electrons as per the requirements of ligand. If ligand approaches to the central metal atom, then it can be excited, one electron formed through the another orbital, or the electron will be paired. Okay, then ability to show variable oxidation state Fe2 plus or Fe plus. Ability to undergo oxidation reduction reactions easily. Okay, and last, ability to form back bonding. Back bonding are formed to the pi bonds. Okay, next, geometry of complexes. It is depends upon the coordination number, nothing but Cn. Cn is nothing but coordination number is defined as nothing but lone pair of electron donated by the ligand. Number of lone pair of electron donated by the ligand is nothing but coordination number. And the type of hybridization. Type of hybridization nothing but DsP2, DS त्यानुसार काय असतो hybridization असतो. Generally complexes have square planar, okay, tetrahedral and octahedral structures. Stability of complexity, this depends upon the nature of ligand and also because of pi bonding tendency.